The Nuie Rene brushed brass sliding shower door 1,200mm is an outstanding addition to any bathroom. Its gorgeous brushed brass finish adds a touch of class to your space, while the sliding door design makes it practical and space-saving. With a 485mm entry width, you can easily access your shower without needing extra space for a door to open into the bathroom. The 6mm toughened safety glass provides increased durability and safety, giving you peace of mind while going about your daily routine. The reversible sliding door allows for left or right-hand opening, making it versatile and suitable for any bathroom layout. It can be used with a side panel or in a recess to create the showering space of your dreams, which is easy to maintain thanks to the quick-release wheels. For a coordinated bathroom, you can complete the look with the matching accessories that are also available. Discover this and the rest of the Nuie shower enclosures range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.